It's a special moment for us. We didn't see it. They put it in a paper and put it in a little envelope.
Big 3-foot balloon.
Hey guys, so today I went and I had my 20 weeks ultrasound done of the baby's anatomy. And within that time they also did the gender, but we didn't see it. They put it in a paper and put it in a little envelope, and then they gave it to us to take it home or to take it somewhere where they could put the color confetti or the smoke in like the big balloon of the question mark. So I'm not doing anything big, just something nice and special, just something simple. You know, I'm as simplest when it comes to certain things. So, and it's a special moment for us, so we can soak in the moment at the same time. So right now I'm just blowing some little balloons up, and after I'll blow up the pink balloons. I'm just winging it, just going with the whole decoration thing. As I said, it's just me and hubby. We're gonna have a few people on WhatsApp, just something special, right? I'm almost finished with the blue ones, so I have the pink ones left. So after I'm done with the pink ones, then I'm gonna try to figure something out and make an arrangement or something. But I'm tallying like the votes, so I messaged like some family and some friends, like, what do you think, boy or girl, vote? So they sent their votes in, so I'm writing everything down so I can tally them. I also went ahead and bought a white cartridge paper from the dollar store. I did it in 2 portions, boy or girl, put a few circles. I'm just winging it, so let's see how it turns out because I'm so excited. I'll show you guys the little cartridge paper that I did from the dollar store and we'll go from there. So this is what it looks like, boy or girl, do 2 little drawings there, have some circles down. I'll probably just put this on my patio here. I also have these blue and pink confettis that I got from the dollar store. They're so pretty. So I might just put down like a white blanket and spread these over it. It'll be nice anyway, but they're so pretty. And they were like, what? $1.25, so not bad at all. So I'm just tallying everybody's vote that I have so far. So I'll just show you, I'll cover the names, but I'll show you most of the vote that I have so far. So there we go. So I think they're pretty much tied right now. So I'm just waiting for a few persons to get back to me with their votes, and then we'll see. I'm team girl. My husband's team boy, but whenever he talks to baby or plays with baby or rubs my tummy, he always refers to baby as him or he, or he's doing this, or he's gonna do this, and I'm like, oh, stop doing him. It's a girl, say she. And when we went to do the ultrasound, he kept saying him, until the girls doing the ultrasound just started saying him too. And I'm like, oh my god. But yeah, anyways, this whole process is just exciting. I haven't been filming much because I wasn't really in the mood. And with these things, I feel like you have to be in the mood or sometimes push yourself. But pregnancy it's not easy. It's really hard to push yourself, but you know, at least I'm trying, so I give myself points for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow up some more balloons, and then when I'm all done, I'll try to figure out what I'm gonna do next. You going first, Kai, your baby father.
That's all good, you know what? I'm pretty confident.
6 shot in get, you know. Let me check and see where I miss.
Oh damn, that's not good.
How much you get?
2, that's it. 1, 2.
Ready though.
Oh, you got it.
One, you know.
You're not supposed to break the things. So Lisa won because she got 3. So Lisa gets to pop the balloon. Now I'll show you the balloon. No?
We'll pop it together. I'm going to ball you ball.
Big 3-foot balloon.
Come on, I forgot give it a countdown, you know.
Right? 3.
7 lucky number.
7? Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, it's a boy!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.